Okay, sorry guys, I wasn't talking. I was still really upset about not capturing the helicopter, because apparently whenever I get my camera out, something bad happens. But look! Small aircraft landing at a much closer airport. Learjet 60, I believe. Yep, Learjet 60 landing right there. Gonna land in Fulton County. But yeah, guys, you know how this works. It's probably gonna end up getting blurry on camera. Just because I have my camera. Because whenever I don't have my camera, I have a great view of stuff. And when I do have my camera, everything just goes behind the daggum trees. I just really hate it. The aircraft is going way too fast for its height. What the? Not a rocket. So everybody in school thinks that an aircraft making a vapor trail is a rocket. It was kind of boring. Bye.